Talk about the spark plug. Spark. Shooting sparks. What's the spark plug, doctor?
You know that motorcycles run on gasoline, right? The gasoline burns in the combustion chamber of the engine, and the part that ignites the gas is spark plug.
Sounds like a lighter.
That's right. It shoots sparks like a lighter to ignite the gasoline.
Doctor, the spark plug has electrode and it ignites a spark between the electrode, right?
You're right. Then, let me talk about the lifetime of the spark plug a little bit. Actually, the electrode of the plug wear away as it is used.
Doctor, the corner is rounded off, right?
Why is the rounded one bad?
That's the point. It doesn't spark enough. So, the motorcycle doesn't accelerate as it usually does, or the engine becomes unable to start eventually.
I understood. I'll have them checked during the periodic maintenance.
The spark plugs need more than just checking. They should be replaced periodically. That's why you should go to a Honda dealer and have them take a look. Go to Honda dealer to have a periodic maintenance and enjoy riding motorcycles.